Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tip and tricks on your LUCID Air. Apply to all the model, Peer, Touring, Grand Touring, Dream Edition, Sapphire. So yeah, in case you walk toward your car, normally the keyword lock and unlock by itself when it automatically detects your key. So in case it doesn't do that, you must have the key fob or your app towards the car, and you can just press this and you automatically unlock the doors and then unfold the mirror. So in case your hand is full carrying all the stuff, or you don't want to go into your pocket and then take it in and out, you can simply by pressing down on this one, and now it's locked and all the mirrors are folded. And unlock, you do the same thing, press and hold. Okay, anyway, this is just a really quick tip and tricks in case you guys are wondering. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.